Hey folks, so a lot of people are searching for can ChatGPT watch videos? And if you take a look at the AI overview answer, then it says that ChatGPT cannot directly watch video files or stream YouTube videos in real time. However, it can process and summarize videos by analyzing text-based transcripts, descriptions, or metadata. Users often provide video transcripts to obtain summaries or ask questions. But this is not exactly true. And the reason why I say that is because if we head over to these Reddit threads, this is the first one, okay? So it says ChatGPT iOS app update, upload videos for instant summaries, transcripts, and insights. And then this guy goes on to share a screen recording. And this is what the screen recording shows. You can see that he goes to recent files, he uploads a video, and then he just sends a message, give me the transcript of this video. And then it uploads the video, and here we have the transcript of the video. So that's the screen recording. Now, if we go to this other Reddit thread, then it says that how to send a video to ChatGPT for assistance. And then this comment says, I use the phone app on Android. You simply upload a file and my movies are there. And then there are two follow-up replies. That I just did that yesterday. I sent it a couple of videos of a chicken, etc. So this guy sent it a couple of videos and he found this feature pretty cool. Then this guy also did the same thing. That's what I do. I use my camera to record something or have a screen recording, upload, and done, right? And then if you scroll down as well, then there are some comments which actually suggest using Gemini. We'll get to this. And then there are people who say, well, just share it, has a file upload right there. If it's too big, use Google Drive. I have uploaded large surveillance videos and it works fine. Well, so what I actually ended up doing is I actually ended up trying it, right? So do note here that I'm on the free plan of ChatGPT. And what I did was that I uploaded this video, taking help from ChatGPT to build a daily routine. And I just said it, hey, can you summarize this video? And just a bit more context on this video is that this is the video. I uploaded this video, taking help from ChatGPT to build a daily routine. This video is 41 minutes, 35 seconds long. So it's a big video. And if I show you the file size, then it's 310 MBs, okay? I downloaded this directly from YouTube. You can find plenty of YouTube video downloaders online. But what I did here, just for simplicity, is that since I uploaded the video, I'm currently in YouTube Studio. If you are a creator on YouTube, you have access to this, and you can download the videos that you have uploaded. Okay, so that's what I did. I just downloaded this video from here. This is my video, so there is no issue in uploading it to ChatGPT. And what I ended up doing is I just said, hey, can you summarize this video for me? And then this is what it told me. Yes, I can summarize a video for you. Please provide one of the following: a link to the video, example, a YouTube link or anything, the video file uploaded here, or the transcript / the subtitles text. But hey, I uploaded the video. So that's what I did. I used this pencil button. I edited the message. And after I edited the message, I sent it off again. Now let's take a look at the second chat. So I edited the message and I added the word attached. Can you summarize the attached video? Okay. Then this is what this is how it responded. I can definitely summarize it, but I will need to process the audio to understand the content. Right now, I can access the video file, but I don't have a speech to text system available in the environment to automatically transcribe it. Without that, I can't reliably extract the spoken information, which is usually most of the content in this kind of a video. So here are the options that you have: upload or paste the transcript. Alternatively, tell me if you want a rough visual summary, I can do that. Or quick fix, if this video is from YouTube or something similar, share the link. Okay, so that's what I ended up doing. Hey, Dad, this is the link of the video. So I have this video on YouTube. This is the link. I simply took that link. I went here. I pasted the link, and well, I told it, hey, just give me a daily summary. Give me a summary of the video. And then it actually broke down the video for me. So apparently, ChatGPT can access video links, and it can access YouTube links, or so it seems. So the issue with ChatGPT is that, and you will also notice this information right here, ChatGPT can make mistakes, check important info. Now, the thing is that I have been working with AI tools for almost a decade now, and I have also built several AI tools from the ground up. So I knew that this might not be true. Maybe ChatGPT is not able to access all the information, and it actually can't. I will also get to that in a bit on why it can't do that. But the thing is that I just wanted to test this for another video. So we have this video from Marcus Brownlee. Okay. So in this video, he reviews everything on my desk. So he has got almost 21 million subscribers on YouTube. And in this video, as you can see that he covers a couple of gadgets. We have the links and the names of all the gadgets here. You can just do a quick go through of them. Now, let's actually get to the ChatGPT chat. And I was like, hey, can you share all the gadgets covered in this video and what the reviewer said about them? All right. So this is what ChatGPT told me. Hey, I couldn't directly extract a full transcript of that exact video, but I did find the official description, timestamps, and the product list, which clearly shows all the gadgets covered and how the reviewer categorized them, worst versus the best. Based on that, here's a clean breakdown. Now, these are the gadgets which ChatGPT highlighted. So there's some RGB light, there's a Type-C cable, there's a card reader, Type-C earphones, Bluetooth speaker. Now, the issue is that none of these gadgets that ChatGPT mentioned were actually mentioned in that video. So that's the thing. ChatGPT made up information here, and that is an issue with all AI models. We call this as hallucination. We say that AI models tend to make up information, and that's why OpenAI also notes that, hey, ChatGPT can make mistakes, check important info. Okay, it's not to scare you off, but that's the reality of AI models, that they can sometimes make up information, and that's what it did, right? I have watched this video from end to end, the entire duration, and none of these gadgets are that ChatGPT mentioned are either present in the video description or in the video itself. So that's the issue, that AI models can sometimes make up information. So what I ended up doing is I went ahead again and I edited this prompt a bit. I was like, hey, I won't give you any context of the video. I was like, maybe let's actually check if ChatGPT is even able to access the video page. And I was like, maybe the fact that I told it that, hey, can you share all the gadgets covered in this video and what the reviewer said about them? I thought maybe ChatGPT just used this gadgets information, and maybe that's why it thought maybe it can't actually access this page, and just from this text that all the gadgets covered in this video, maybe it thought that it can just give me random gadgets. So what I did is that I just simply said, hey, can you share a summary of this video? And this is what it told me. I couldn't directly extract reliable details for that exact video. The link didn't return usable metadata or a transcript, so I am not able to confidently summarize it yet. Here's the quick fix. This is what you can do: paste the video title, share a screenshot, etc., etc. Okay, so this is what it recommended me. So it's clear that in this the gadgets that it suggested earlier, it wasn't actually able to access the video page, right? It maybe used this text that I shared, hey, that video covered gadgets, and can you tell me what the reviewer said about them? So maybe that's how it was able to figure out the context, that, hey, this video is about gadgets, and I can recommend random gadgets to me, right? So that's maybe why it ended up making a mistake. So anyway, I gave it another shot, and what I did was I was very curious that, hey, can ChatGPT actually access links? And it turns out it can, right? I didn't actually know about this, that if you sort of paste a link into ChatGPT, then there is a good chance that it can access it. So I tried this with 2 pages, right? There is this page that we have. I tried with this page, and then there is also this page that I tried with. So I simply pasted these links, and I was like, hey, can you create a summary of this page? And it created the correct summary of this page. And then I repeated this. So I was like, hey, can you share a summary of this page? And then it was like, yes, I can. This is what is going on. And it summarized the article correctly. So yes, it can access pages, but the issue is, and we'll just circle back to this chat again. So here I just uploaded the video page, and then I shared the link, and now ChatGPT was actually able to go ahead and give me the proper summary, right? So in this case, it was able to give me a proper summary, but like we saw in case of that Marcus Brownlee video, it was not able to give me the correct summary. So the thing is that maybe ChatGPT can, what ChatGPT is probably able to do is that it is able to pull up information of web pages in real time, but it is not able to watch the actual video and give you the exact information about what's going on in the video, right? And what I ended up doing is that I thought maybe, this video is a bit long, maybe that is causing the issues. So what I did is that I went ahead and I uploaded a shorter video. So this one is AI chatbots conversation archive. If I go here and if I show you this video, then this video is actually just 3 minutes long. Okay. Yeah, this is just 3 minutes and 41 seconds long. Okay. And it's not that big of a video. I think just a few megabytes if I recall. Yeah, if I reload the page here, then yeah, you can just see that this is 27 MBs. Okay. We go back here and I asked it, hey, can you sort of the first time I sent it, I was like, hey, transcribe this video. Then it says, hey, yes, I can transcribe the video. But again, it told me, yes, you can upload the video here or share a link. If accessible, let me know if you want. Okay. Then I said, no, okay. Actually I have attached the video, transcribe the attached video again. When I use the attached keyword, it was like, hey, again, it told me I wasn't able to run a reliable speech to text pipeline on the uploaded video in this environment. But here are the 2 quick ways we can still give you a full transcript. You can, if you're okay with it, we can process the video in chunks manually and summarize this. And then it asked me to actually do this entire setup to obtain the video transcript. And then if once I have the transcript, so it gave me this piece of code using which I can get the video transcript. And what it meant is, hey, get the transcript using this code, give that transcript to me, and then I'll summarize the video. Now, of course, I'm not going to go through that hassle, right? Now, as you can see that currently what ChatGPT is doing is that if you give it a video, apparently it worked for these guys on it. I'm not very sure how it's working for them. It worked for this guy. It worked for these guys in the comments above. These 3 guys, it's working for them, but it's not working for me, as you can see. At least it's not working for me on a computer, on the ChatGPT website. Your mileage might vary with the app, but at the end of the day, the backend is essentially going to be the same, right? I'm not very sure that why this would work on the app and why this won't work on the desktop website, right? There shouldn't be an issue because at the end of the day, the video file that you're uploading from here or from the app, it goes to the same AI model, right? So there shouldn't be any issue that way. But like we have seen that if you attach videos, whether it's a 3-minute video or whether it's a 41-minute video, it doesn't matter. ChatGPT is not able to tell you the exact information from the attached file. But if you use the link, then in that case, what it's able to do is that it is sometimes able to pull up information of that page, like we saw in these cases, I think. Yeah. When we went to these 2 articles that we tested, yes. So it's able to pull up information from the page. And when I say that it is able to pull up information from the page, what that means is that it is able to probably extract just the video title and the video description. Okay. And that's how it was able to summarize this article and also this OpenAI doc that we covered earlier, right? This one. So it was able to summarize these articles, but then again, we also saw that it was not able to summarize the YouTube link for us properly, right? This one, this YouTube video link, it was not able to. When I asked it, hey, can you share a summary of this video? Then it was like, no, I can't do that. And then similarly, but when I provided it with the link of this ChatGPT daily routine video, then somehow it was able to pull up the information, right? So that's the issue, that it's really a hit and miss kind of a thing, right? So it's not that reliable. Now, what if you want to use ChatGPT to watch videos? What if you want to upload video model to an AI and you want to get some information about it? In that case, what do? You use Gemini, as the comments here were rightly saying, right? You see that a couple of people say, hey, use Gemini. or just get a Gemini subscription, etc. But you don't need a subscription. It works on the free plan. Now, the first thing that a lot of people don't know is that if you go to any YouTube video, right, you will see this ask button, right? And when I click on it, it will pull up this side menu, right? This works on the youtube.com website, on the mobile apps. This feature is rolled out everywhere. So you will see that, hey, can you summarize this video for me? Or if you have any custom questions, you can simply ask the AI here, right? So let's say we ask it to summarize the video. Then what it will do is, it will take some time, but then it will give you a summary of what exactly this video mentions. Okay, so this is the summary of the video that you have. All right, so that is one way to go about it. And of course, if you have any follow-up questions, you can ask it from the ask a question option. Okay, or the other way. And this works for both new videos as well as more popular ones, right? For example, this one has over 1 million views, and I uploaded this video just a couple of hours ago, and this doesn't have any views. Okay, you can see that I uploaded this 14 hours ago. It doesn't have any views, but we still have the ask button here. Okay, so you can ask it to summarize the video, or etc., or ask any follow-up questions, and it will even actually suggest you the some questions that you can ask. So this feature is available across all videos. Okay, that won't be an issue. You might not see this video if in case you don't see this button across any video, then what you can simply do is you copy that link and you go to Google AI Studio. I will have all the links down in the description box. You go to this link, okay, aistudio.google.com. This is a free link. You just need a Google account to access this. And then once you are here, what you just have to do is that I will remove this link. You just simply add your prompt and you'll say, hey, can you summarize this YouTube video? And then all you have to do is just paste the link. That is it, right? Once you paste the link, it will automatically say, hey, this is a YouTube video, and you don't have to do anything. You come here, you paste the link, and then you just hit run. And it will actually take some time. You can see that it found the thumbnail of the video. It's now processing the request. And once it's done, it will actually give you a summary of the video, right? So there is this free option. So we have got two options that you can go about this. Either you can go ahead and use the ask button on the YouTube beneath the YouTube video directly, or you can simply just copy the link of the video and you can go ahead to AI Studio, aistudio.google.com. You go there and you paste the video link and bam, it's done. It's as simple as that. Okay, so the best thing about using something like an AI Studio is that it's free, and then secondly, it's reliable. Okay, now another thing which I do want to show you, and now it will take a bit of time, maybe like up to a minute or something. You can already see that we are almost at 52 seconds, right? So it might take a bit of a time to sort of generate a response for the video, but it will come up with a response. Okay, and now you can see that we are getting that response, right? Now, if I just go ahead and duplicate this tab, again, I will have all the links down below. Okay, don't worry about the links or anything. What I can actually also do is that I can go ahead, I can click on this plus button in the YouTube file, and there you can see, hey, insert images, videos, audio, or files. Okay, so it says that, hey, you can upload videos as well. And if I click on the plus button, it gives me an option to upload a YouTube video. If I do that, then you can just simply add the YouTube video URL here, and then you can also give it a start time and end time. Okay, that it should use to which segment of the video it should refer to. Okay, and you don't have to change this to just leave this option FPS as is, and then you can just save the video. So that is one way you can insert the video. Or if you just go here, you can also add videos from Google Drive if you have any of those videos there, or you can just go to upload files. You can maybe select any video from in here, and you can just simply ignore the token count failed option here, and we can actually just directly go ahead and copy this option. So I'll just copy this. I'll go to AI Studio again and I'll say, hey, I think we should be able to ignore this token count failed error, but we will see. Okay, can you summarize this video? Okay, I tell it, it's grayed out. Okay, so it's not, the token count is important. Let's actually remove this file and then try to upload it again. Okay, upload files, AI chatbot, and it failed again. Okay, so maybe the issue was probably caused since I used the since I simply duplicated the tab. I go to upload again, upload files, select the video, and well, the count is still failing. I'm not sure why. I have actually used this feature before and it apparently worked well for me back then, but I'm not sure why it's failing now. So let's go again and let's select this video, and it's still saying that the token count failed. Let's try and change the image models. So we have a couple of different models, like the pro models that Gemini has. They are considered as the best. Then we have got these flashlight models. They are like the least powerful models that Google has, and then we have these simply the flash models. These are sort of this one sits between the flashlight and the pro model. So you select this one. Not sure what's causing the issue, because earlier I'm pretty sure that this feature worked out well for me. I'm not sure why it's currently erroring out. Maybe it's some issue on the website or something. So what I'll actually go ahead and do is that let me just go to Google Drive. Okay, drive.google.com, and so this is actually me troubleshooting this issue in real time. I haven't come across this issue yet. So I'll go to file upload. So what I'm trying to do now is that it's uploading this file. What I'm trying to do is that I'll probably upload this file to Google Drive, and then I'll try to import this file into AI Studio. But yeah, I mean, I have definitely seen this work really well. I'm not very sure why it's not working. So now let's go to plus, let's go to Drive, and then yeah, I'll select the account, right, and then it allows me to select the video. Okay, let's import this video, and we click on insert, and now it should work. Right now we don't see that error. So again, I'll say that, okay, can you summarize this video, and I still can't send it. Media is processing, so it will take some time, but now at least we are not getting that error. Now we do see the token count that we can, and you can just simply now send it over, and now it should work, right? So yeah, it should work, and it usually does work. I'm not sure, and we have the summary here as well, right? So we do usually see that. I'm not very sure why we couldn't sort of upload the video files. Maybe this is a temporary bug, but yeah, hopefully if you want ChatGPT to watch videos, then as we have seen, it's not very reliable, at least on the free plans. Maybe your mileage might vary if you are on one of the paid plans, but if you want to use this for free, then Gemini is reliable most of the time. Just simply open up AI Studio, or you can also use the Gemini app. I haven't actually tried that, so let's actually do that. Let's actually go to the Gemini web app, and we can actually give it the YouTube link. We can try and do that. Okay, I think it should work on the Gemini app as well. We go there, we do a Control V. In the tools section, we don't have any option, and let's say that we ask it to I'll just simply ask it to, can you summarize this YouTube video? Okay, let's see. And then it's connecting to YouTube. So yes, you can use this video. You can use paste the YouTube links directly in Gemini as well. And then yeah, it pulls up the summary, and this is the correct summary. Okay, so yeah, you can use this directly. And let's actually go ahead and go to a new chat. And if you go to plus, you can add files directly from Drive here as well, and even from Google Photos. That's a lovely connection. We'll just get to Notebook LM. I just want to mention that as well very quickly. And we can, let's say we upload this, and let's say we just ask it, hey, can you summarize this video for me? Okay, I think it has finished uploading. Now if I just send it over, then I think it should be able to tell me what's going on. Okay, I'll just give it a bit of time, but yes, So yeah, as you can see, it is running its analysis, and hopefully it will be able to, because the Gemini models do. Yeah, and then yeah, it's able to give you the summary, just as we saw in AI Studio. Okay, so you can either use AI Studio, but it might overwhelm you a bit with all these model selectors and all these different kind of instructions. So yeah, if you do want to have some sort of a easier interface that you can use, you can just directly use the Gemini app. You can download the Gemini app on your phone, or just simply go to gemini.google.com. Again, all the links will be in the description, so you can just directly click on those. And finally, what I wanted to tell you about is Notebook LM. Now, this is a very, very powerful tool. Okay. And another good thing about why I say that you can use AI Studio is that, let's say you want to use a couple of different YouTube videos. Okay. Let's actually go to a new chat. Let's go to the Gemini app, and let's go to a new chat, and I'll ask it, hey, can you summarize? Now, instead of using one YouTube video this time, what I want to do is I want to use 2 YouTube videos. Okay. So can you summarize these YouTube videos? Okay. So what I'll do is that, let's say we take random links. Okay. We take this link, we copy it, we go to Gemini, and we tell it, hey, let's see. Now that's what I want to test. Now you Control V, we add this link, and then we also take this link, this Marcus Brownlee video. We also add this one. Okay. And that's the exciting thing to actually look out for, that, hey, can it actually pull up and use both videos? Let's see. Okay. So it's connecting to YouTube. Here are the summaries of the YouTube videos you provided. So there is the first one. So it was able to pull up that video, and the summary is actually quite on point. And then it's also able to do that for the other video. So there you have it. Okay. And then it also shows the links for both the videos at the end. So yeah, it works really well. Okay. But if you want, you can actually do the same thing in AI Studio as well. You can add multiple videos here too. And just the extra powerful feature that you have here is that you can also customize the duration of the YouTube video. So if you just wanted to refer to just, let's say, the first 5 minutes, just the first minute, you can mention all of that here, even the start time, the end time. You have that extra bit of customization here. But yes, I understand that the interface itself can get overwhelming. So if you prefer simplicity, you can use something like the Gemini app, and it processes the videos, even multiple videos, quite well. And if you want, you can also use Notebook LM. Okay. Now, why I say that it's very powerful is that you can attach a lot of sources to it. Why? So it says, understand anything. Your research and thinking part are grounded in the information you trust, built with the latest Gemini models. So what you can do, you can upload sources, you can upload PDFs, websites, YouTube videos, audio files, Google Docs, Google Slides, and more. Notebook LM will summarize them and make interesting connections between them. So if you have got a bunch of sources, you have got spreadsheets, you have got presentations, you have got docs, you have got videos, everything, you can just upload anything and everything to Notebook LM, and sort of just have a chat with the data that you have, right? And this is mostly used by students, right? So with Notebook LM, you get to work and become a personalized AI expert in the field information that matters most to you. So usually students have all these docs and books, etc., and they can sort of just upload all that to all that to Notebook LM, and see the source, not the answer. Like we saw that ChatGPT hallucinated, it made up information. But what it says here is that what makes Notebook LM better is that you can gain confidence in every response, because Notebook LM provides clear citations for its work, showing the exact quotes from your sources. So how it came up with that information. Listen and learn on the go. So they have this really powerful audio overview feature where you, let's say, upload 10 different documents, and it will maybe give you a 10-minute or some kind of a podcast where 2 people are interacting with each other on that information. So let's say you give it some kind of a history textbook, then it might give you like a 10-minute podcast where 2 people are talking about the matter which is present in that history textbook. So yeah, if that's something you prefer, then yes, you can do that. And most people the most common application for this is for studying, organizing thinking, sparking new ideas, etc., right? So they also have a couple of plans, but the best thing is that this they have a very generous free tier. Okay, and by generous I mean that you can upload up to 50 sources per notebook. So if you want to bundle in 50 videos, 50 YouTube videos, you can do that. So if you have like an entire playlist, you can add that here. You have a multiple documents, you can add that here. But if you maybe use something like AI Studio or the Gemini app itself, then it will limit the number of files that you can upload, right? And actually that file upload FAQ that I pulled up for ChatGPT, there is actually a limit on the number of files, okay, that you are allowed in each chat, I think. Okay, so these are the restrictions, okay. If you use ChatGPT, then you are limited to 512 MBs of information per file. And for CSV, that limit is 50 MBs. For images, that limit is 20 MBs. And users can upload up to 80 files every 3 hours. Free users have a daily limit of 3 file uploads. And you do have some kind of a limitation on the number of files. What I was trying to figure out is that if they have a sort of like a limit on the number of files I can upload. So like maybe can I upload 50 files and will it get the information out of all of them? I'm not really sure. I don't think that it will allow that. It do notes here that you can have like 20 files per project. So I think that the limit that you can, the maximum number of files you can use in each chat should be around that ballpark. Definitely not over 20, I guess. But if you use Notebook LM, it's free. You get up to 50 sources that you can upload, right? And then you also have these paid plans, plus, pro, etc, etc. So in that, the limit further increases to 100, 300 and 600. Okay, so yeah, if you want, you can use these are very, very powerful tools. I do really hope that this video makes sense. It turned out a bit technical. I didn't really think of it that way, but hopefully you got the entire landscape of whether you can upload videos to ChatGPT or not. How we really saw that how ChatGPT is not the most reliable thing when it comes to videos. It works well with the documents and spreadsheets, but if you're giving it some kind of a link, then there are chances that it will mess it up. And the thing that you also have to see is that there are a lot of companies are bringing lawsuits against OpenAI. OpenAI is the maker of ChatGPT, and here you will see that it says that this company which sued OpenAI this time, it said that hey, it committed massive copyright infringement, and that it accuses OpenAI of violating copyright laws when it generates outputs that contain full or partial verbatim reproduction of its content, right? So it's not and I think its scraping was also mentioned. So OpenAI's RAG tool is how the LLM scan the web or other databases for newly updated information. So the thing is that, and yeah, scraping is mentioned exactly here. So what the issue is that when you are like giving a random link to ChatGPT, right? That, for example, I handed over this Guardian link to ChatGPT and I asked it to summarize the information for me, right? Like, why the hell would anyone go ahead and actually read this article, right? If I can just, instead of reading this article, I can just simply copy this link and pass it over to ChatGPT and ask it to summarize this for me. Then why will anyone actually read the article? And then if no one is reading the article, how will the publication make money in the first place, right? So that's why all these copyright lawsuits have been brought against ChatGPT. Hey, they are, even New York Times and all these companies sued OpenAI that you can't just use our information as is, right? Like, either pay us in some form or do something about it, right? So they're losing revenue, they're losing their reader base, etc. So there are lots of implications for these news publications as well. So yeah, hopefully that all that gives you context on why why ChatGPT can't really read video or can't exactly watch YouTube videos, and how it can sort of make up information at times, and why you can just use Gemini models instead. You can use Notebook LM, you can use AI Studio, you can use the Gemini app to sort of interact with videos. So I hope you found this video helpful. If that was the case, then you know the drill: like, subscribe, follow, etc, etc. And if you have any queries, then just simply drop those in the comment section below and I'll get back to you at the earliest, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Okay, Another thing that I quickly wanted to add is that if you want to use ChatGPT, then what you can do is you can go to the YouTube video. We are going to be using this Marcus Brownlee video, and then you can go to the description and you can click on this show transcript button. Okay, and when you do that, it will show you the transcript in a pane on the right side. What you can do is you can simply just go ahead and copy this entire transcript. Right, I think you will have to do that manually. So let's say if we just do this, then as you can see, the entire transcript is copied. And then what you can do is you can simply just copy it. And then let's say we go back to ChatGPT, and this is the very same chat. Sorry, this is the same chat where we pasted the link of the video. And then we can say, hey, here is, we can just simply type something like, here is the video transcript. Okay, yeah, so just type something like, here is the video transcript, and when you do Control V, then here you will be having the entire transcript, and then when you just click on send, then it should give you the video summary. Okay, so yeah, there you have it. This is the summary of the video, right? So a couple of things that you should keep in mind here is that this was a very short video. Now, like I covered earlier, right, that all ChatGPT models, they have what we call as a context window. Context window is essentially the memory of the AI model, the amount of words that you can feed to ChatGPT. All right. So in the free plan, you can give it 16,000 words, and if you are using any of the paid versions like the Plus or the Pro versions, then you get higher word limits. And then also in the thinking mode, you get even higher limits. Now, the thing is that if you maybe like, this is a shorter video, right? About, let's say, 15 minutes. And if I go to something like, let's say, go to Google and we do something like a word counter, right? And if I go here and I paste all the transcript that we copied, then you can see that this is 3,800 words, so almost 4,000 words, right? So 4,000 words is well within the context window of the free plan, so you won't be having any issues. But in case you have an even bigger video, then a quick workaround for that is that you can extend the context limit further by using something like a txt file, right? And what I mean by that is that if you just go to this link, I will have all these links down below, then you will see that what are the file upload size restrictions, right? Here you will see that all text and document files uploaded to a ChatGPT conversation are capped at 2 million tokens per file. Essentially, you can think of tokens as words. So each file can contain 2 million words. This limitation does not apply to spreadsheets. For spreadsheets, the limitation is different. So if you have an even bigger video, then what you can do is you can just simply open up a notepad file, or just like directly go to Google and do something like online txt file maker, something like that. Just search for it, you'll get this kind of thing. Just open it, and then you can just simply paste the entire transcript here, right? And just whatever, then just download this file, right? You can save it anywhere you want, right? Just save the file, go to ChatGPT, and then like maybe start a new chat or whatever, and ask it to, hey, just summarize this attach the file, and it will do that for you, right? Or just the better way that I explained to you already is that you can simply use AI Studio. But yeah, this was just a quick workaround. Maybe this is also one of those hacks that might come in handy in the future, even if you are not dealing with a video but with something else. Then you can use a txt file, doc, or whatever, and this way you can just work around this limit that we have. Or if you are on one of the paid plans as well, you can enable thinking mode. By the way, thinking mode is also available on free plans too. So for that, you just go here you go to the plus option and you enable thinking. So this will increase the context window slightly, but not by that much, right? And it's not very clear what kind of thinking limit is present for free tiers. So you can never be sure about that, but still it will definitely be higher than 16,000. So just keep that in mind. You can either enable thinking, or just the best way to go about it is just simply upload it as a txt file, right? So yeah, I hope you found this info helpful, and again I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.